Guys, it looks like it is very hot, guys. So I think I'll remove my coat so that I take you through the next video. It's quite hot here. It's not very saturday early afternoon. So let me introduce the next video, guys. We are now going to look at what the students should put in their notebooks. So in these videos in biology, I've been very, very considerate. I start with the lesson plan. Then after the lesson plan, I give the notes the students are supposed to be taking as the teacher is teaching, so that the teacher and the students benefits from these videos of mine, guys. So this is Mr. Midamo TK, a biology teacher, a senior examiner of an experience of 35 years, and it's good to share my experience in this field of biology, because 35 years is not a very short time you interacting with the same subject. So guys, welcome to Introduction to Biology lesson notes. So there we go. So you can see there, Mr. Midamo is in his office. I was the head of department science in my former school, and that is the school I retired in. And you can see now I'm in my office. I decided to have that one as a beginning of this video. And we have Introduction to Biology, Biology lesson notes, or Biology lesson notes, Introduction to Biology, for junior secondary students ages 11 to 14 years. So the lesson notes, Introduction to Biology for junior secondary ages 11 to 14 years. I start with the definition of biology. And here is the definition. Biology is the study of living organisms and their interactions with the environment. That's the definition. It is a natural science that explores the structure, function, growth, origin, evolution, and distribution of living things. Okay? Although I've not put it, let me add something. So guys, what I wanted to add is this, that biology is a science. It is the study of living things in their environment. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios, which means life, and logos, which means knowledge. And the people who study biology are called biologists. Let us now look at the importance of biology. Biology is nothing but understanding the life processes. The importance of biology is to make you understand life processes. And guys, without you understanding life processes, you have no business living in this world, because we have to interact with nature, we have to interact with other animals, we have to interact with even the biosphere, and we have to interact with everything, non-living or living. So, understanding life processes. So, the first thing is human health. Biology helps us understand the human body, its functions, and the various diseases that can affect it. This knowledge is essential for developing medical treatments and maintaining health. Who can disagree with that, guys? Next is environmental conservation. By studying ecosystems and biodiversity, biology aids in the conservation of the environment and the protection of endangered species. Next, it is important you learn biology because of agriculture. And without agriculture, then we have no business living, because we have to eat or feed. So in agriculture, biological principles are applied to enhance crop production so that you have enough food, improve food quality, and manage pests and diseases. The next thing why you should do biology is the area known as biotechnology. Biology underpins biotechnological innovations such as genetic engineering, which have applications in medicine, agriculture, and industry. All right. Genetic engineering. Remember of the COVID-19. Without the biotechnology, we would not be having those vaccines. Okay? Remember, the grafted fruits, all right, which are very sweet and grow very fast. Bananas, all right. By use of biotechnology, we can have bananas which grow very fast and very big, and so on and so forth. Not to mention what is going on as far as industry is concerned. The other importance of biology is understanding behavior. Biology helps explain the behavior of different organisms, including us human beings, and their interactions with each other and the environment. Just move out there and look at the way people behave. Okay? You need to understand the human behavior, the behavior of organisms, like even the organisms you keep at home, like cows, dogs, poultry, and so on. You need to know their behavior. So that is the far we can go as far as why biology is important. So why don't we now come to the main branches of biology, guys, and I take a cup of water. So guys, welcome to the main branches of biology, and I'll start with the main two, that is botany and zoology. So botany is the study of plants, and botany focuses on understanding plants' life, including their structure, properties, and biochemical processes. And importance of doing botany is because knowledge from botany is crucial for agriculture, horticulture, and forestry. And we cannot do without these things as human beings. Zoology is the next main branch, where you have 8 being defined as study of animals. Zoology is the study of animals. Zoology explores animal life, their anatomy, physiology, behavior, and evolution. And the importance of zoology in biology is zoology helps in wildlife conservation so that we can have foreign exchange from tourists, veterinary sciences to take care of our animals. Remember, we have to depend on animals, like we have to eat meat, we have to take milk, we have to take eggs, and understanding human biology through cooperative studies. So zoology helps in wildlife conservation, veterinary sciences, and understanding human biology through comparative studies. So, in that first instance, I've just talked of 2 branches: botany, study of plants; zoology, study of animals. Now, the next branch is microbiology, very important branch. And this is the study of microorganisms. So, microbiology deals with microscopic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. And what is the importance of learning microbiology? This branch is vital for medicine, where you study pathogens and developing antibiotics. And then you have food industry, where you study the fermentation processes. And then you have environmental science, which deals with decomposing waste, managing waste. You need to know that because wherever we are, we have to produce waste. So microbiology is very important. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms, is important because it helps in medicine, food industry, and environmental science. Genetics. Genetics is the study of heredity. Genetics is the study of heredity. Genetics examines how traits are passed from parents to offspring through genes, a very important branch of biology. So when you study biology, you'll be able to know how characteristics or traits move from a parent to the child or offspring through the genes. And the importance of this genetics is, or the importance of studying genetics is key in understanding inherited diseases. There are very many inherited diseases, genetic engineering, all right, and evolutionary biology. Okay, very important things in today's life. Inherited diseases, genetic engineering, and evolutionary biology. Remember, this is just an introduction. We will come to those areas as we progress with the videos in biology. And by the time we reach what we were calling Form 4, I think it is in senior secondary, we will be able to do more on maybe inherited diseases, genetic engineering, and evolutionary biology. The next branch of importance is known as ecology. Ecology is the study of ecosystems. And how does ecology helps? Ecology looks at the relationship between organisms and their environment. The importance of you learning ecology is ecology helps you in managing natural resources, understanding climate change, and conserving biodiversity. Guys, if ecology was not there, we would be in hell, because we are already complaining about the climate change. You have observed nowadays, if rains come, they rain excessively. If dryness comes, it is lengthened, and the things even start dying in either way. Whether there are heavy rains, whether there is a lot of drought, living organisms die. Next branch of importance is physiology, which is the study of function. So physiology focuses on the normal functions of living organisms and their parts. And the importance of it is knowledge of physiology is essential for medicine, sports science, and understanding how organisms adapt to their environments. Evolutionary biology, another branch defined as a study of evolution. This branch studies the origins and changes in the diversity of life over time. And what is the importance of learning evolutionary biology? Evolutionary biology explains the history of life, adaptation, and the development of new species. So it is this area of biology where we try to have conflict with religion when it comes to the origin of man. Because in science or biology, we don't believe that man was molded by God or what. That is in Genesis. You can read Genesis chapter 1. So what we do is we don't like conflicts. If you are scientists, don't start bringing religion. And if you are religious, please Don't start bringing evolution and whatever, because now there will be conflicts and we are not going to live in a smooth world. So let science be science and let religion be religion. Both of them are important to us as human beings. So the next main branch of biology is cell biology. And in this one, cell biology is defined as the study of cells. And cell biology examines the structure and functions of cells, which are the basic units of life. The cell is defined as the basic unit of life. And the study of the basic unit of life, we cannot do without it to understand ourselves. So what is the importance of doing cell biology? This field is fundamental for understanding diseases, developmental biology, and what we had talked about, biotechnology. So you can see it's like the branches are overlapping. The branches are overlapping. And finally, we have biochemistry as a main branch of biology. And this is the study of chemical processes. It's defined as the study, biochemistry is defined as the study of chemical processes. And in biochemistry, it explores the chemical processes within and related to living organisms. And what is the importance of biochemistry? Biochemistry is crucial for medical research, nutrition, and understanding of metabolic processes. In summary, guys, biology is vast. Biology is a vast and diverse field that plays a critical role in understanding the living world. It helps us appreciate the complexities of life, informs our decisions about health and the environment, and drives innovations that improve our quality of life. By exploring the various branches of biology, students can gain a comprehensive understanding of life and its many facets. So, my dear guys, students and teachers, there comes the end of my first video of the many videos I'm going to bring in this channel concerning the subject biology. So I hope after watching those two videos, the one on the lesson plan of Introduction to Biology and the other one on the biology notes for students, you will like my videos, and I will thank you in advance for watching the videos to the end. Please take these videos of biology very, 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 very seriously, because biology is the study of life. And a human being who does not know that you are living is a dead human being. So please welcome to get another eye of biology through the experience of YouTube, and welcome to my biology series videos. Remember guys, I get assistance from very many places. Like I used my original archive because I have a very big archive in biology. Remember that 5 years is not a very short time. So I've got a biology archive where I got some of the materials, and then I have using the internet, I use the chat GPT to assist me maybe to polish the videos. So with those few remarks, guys, I love all of you guys. Welcome to biology YouTube series videos. First video is out, Introduction to Biology, and we are going to come to the next video very soon. Bye bye guys, and see you next time.